You remember before we ordered, we had 1 like. Can you see? We have 1 like. You can confirm we have 1 like because I've not refreshed. That's why it's still there. So for us to actually confirm, we just need to drop this thing down in order to confirm. And now we have refreshed. Let's go back and you can see we have 101 like. Remember we ordered 100 like and before we add 1 like. So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to boost your Instagram likes very fast, right? All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So the first thing you need to do is for you to actually come to this website called growbitar.net, right? The link is in the description, so you don't need to worry. You just need to click on the link and it will take you to the website. So when you come to the website, the first thing you need to do is for you to actually create an account. And how do you now create an account? You just need to come down right here and you can see the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's going to load and bring you to this place where you create your username. While creating your username, you need to actually write it together. Do not give space. If you give space, it will not work. And put your email right here, put your password right here, and confirm your password right here. And you can see this play the road, I am human, right? Tap on it. If you tap on it, boss, you allow it to load, and you can see it's going to tick right away, and it has tick. And the next thing you need to do is for you to actually click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. But also because I already have an account, there is no need for me to start doing this again. So I just need to log into my account and continue showing you guys how you can actually boost your Instagram likes very fast. So let's go. So welcome back guys. I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you log into your account, this is exactly how it looks like. So the first thing you need to do is for you to actually come to this category right here. You need to come to the category and select the particular service you want, right? So here you can see Instagram followers, blah blah blah. But due to because we want to actually boost like in this video, so I just need to come and select this Instagram likes non-drop. Can you see this? Instagram like no drop new premium. So the next you need to do is for you to come to this service and select the service and select the preferable service you want, but me, I like using the first service on this service, right? So due to because the first service on the service is mostly the best service, right? So I just need to select it. So the next you need to do is for you to actually read the description. The description stated, right, that this is the best service to grow your likes, and also it stated that the start time is 0 to 2 hours, and they also say the global high quality user, and just say safe and easy, 30 days refill, low drop, minimum of 10 and maximum of 50,000 likes. And they also say that here is the example of the link you are going to be using. You can see it, this is actually your Instagram post link. Do not use your Instagram profile link, use your Instagram post link, right? And right here they say do not place another order on the same link if you're already have an active order. So when you place an order, do not place another order, just exercise patience so that your order is going to deliver, right? So they also say make sure your account is not private and your link is correct. Just make sure that your account is not private. If your account is private, there's no way those people are going to come into your account to like your post. So you need to leave it publicly and make sure that the link you use is correct, which is your post link, right? So the next you need to do right here is for you to actually put your link right here. And if you don't know how to copy your profile, and if you don't know how to copy your post link, let me show you how to do that. You just need to go to Instagram, and boom, we are going to be using this first post right here. And you can see right here, this post has only 1 like, right? So if you want to copy your link, you just need to come to this icon right here. Can you see this icon right here? Tap on it, and down here you can actually see copy link. Can you see this copy link down here? You just need to tap on it and your link is copied, and come to this link right here and paste your link and come to this quantity, which is the amount of like you want. You just need to put the amount you want. I'm going to be buying only 100 likes on this post, and boom. And the next thing I need to do is for me to actually click on the submit right here, and boom, you can see your order is received, right? Easy peasy, right? So all you need to do right now is for you to actually wait, and these likes will start coming into that post, right? Easy peasy. So but before then, I want you guys to actually understand that whatever we are doing in this platform is not free. You don't need to pay money for you to actually get all these things. So how then you fund account in this platform is very easy, right? And you can see the likes we bought is already coming in, right? Can you see the like we bought is already coming in on the notification? So we are definitely going back to actually confirm that. But let me first show you guys how you can actually fund your account, right? So right, let's go. As you can see right here, you don't need to click on this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and By your left hand side, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and right here you can see this dot right here. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see the two payment option right here, Pay and manual. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use both of them. If you want to use Pay, select Pay, come right here, put amount that you want to fund, and click on this pay right here. And once you click on pay here, Pay is going to ask you, how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with debit card? Would you like to pay with bank transfer? Would you like to pay with bank? If you want to pay with debit card, select it and put your card details and click on pay. If you want to pay with bank transfer, select it and come right here, read this instruction. After reading the instruction, just tell them I understand the instruction and click on continue. And Pay is going to provide account number you need to make transfer to. After making the transfer, just exercise patient and the thing will automatically load and your account is going to be funded automatically. All right, so let me show you guys how to use manual. If you want to use manual, select manual, and right here is the instruction. They said kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, and they say do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. It says provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. Contact us. Is either you click on this contact us or you click on the WhatsApp icon. It will take you to the WhatsApp, and you just need to send your proof of payment and your Grow Better username, and they're going to complete your payment or manually, right? So this is exactly how to actually use it, right? So right now I want you guys to follow me. Let's go back to that post that we boosted, right? You remember, here is the post, right? Here is this particular first post on this page, all right? And you remember before we ordered, we had 1 like. Can you see we have 1 like? You can confirm we have 1 like because I've not refreshed, that's why it's still there. So for us to actually confirm, we just need to drop this thing down in order to confirm, and now we have refreshed. Let's go back and you can see we have 101 like. Remember, we ordered 100 like and before we add 1 like. So this is exactly so it actually means that the likes that we bought has already reflected. Easy peasy. You can see it was very fast. No, you don't need to wait for anything, instantly. Fast. So guys, this is exactly how to boost your Instagram likes very fast. And all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do the same thing I just did in this video. Make sure you fund the account before placing order. The link is in the description. So thank you all for watching this video, and see you in my next video.